Hello friends, I am Prabhasan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying in first sem CSC Data Science course Introduction to Civil Engineering, topic Urban Air Pollution Management. And today I will be discussing about urban air pollution management. Air is essential for human life as it provides the oxygen necessary for respiration, sustaining cellular functions and overall well-being. First, we will know what we are learning today. Introduction, sources, health impacts, environmental impacts, technological solutions, case studies, future outlook, and conclusion of urban air pollution management. Let's delve into our presentation. Introduction to urban air pollution management. Urban air pollution is a serious problem that affects the health of millions of people worldwide. It is caused by release of harmful substances into the atmosphere by human activities such as transportation, industrial processes, and energy production. Urban air quality is dynamic. The unprecedented growth of urban centers, industries, and vehicle populations has resulted in serious air quality problems in several countries. In population refers to the release of pollutants into the air that are detrimental to human health and the plant as a whole. Its effects can range from higher disease risk to rising temperatures. The ambient air quality in many cities of developing countries is found to be at alarming levels due to excessive emissions added by rapid urbanization. Let us know what is the sources of air pollution. Urban air pollution stems from various sources, each contributing to complex mix of pollutants that degrade air quality in cities. Vehicular emissions, combustion engines in cars, trucks, buses and motorcycles release air pollutants such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, particulate matter, and volatile organic compounds. Traffic congestion and reliance on fossil fuels amplify these emissions. Industrial activities. Factories and manufacturing facilities emit pollutant during various processes. Combustion of fossil fuels. Use of chemicals and industrial machinery release substances like sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, and hazardous air pollutants into the air. Power generation. The production of electricity, often through the burning of fossil fuels, contributes to urban air pollution. Power plants release pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. Let us know how urban air pollution management impacts on human health. Urban air pollution has severe health impacts that affect millions of people globally. The primary contributors to urban air pollution include vehicular emissions, industrial activities, and the combustion of fossil fuels. The health consequences of prolonged exposure to polluted urban air are diverse and can manifest in respiratory, cardiovascular, and other systematic disorders. Cardiovascular diseases are another major concern associated with urban air pollution. Particulate matter and other pollutants can enter the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and oxidative stress. This process contributes to the development progression of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, air pollution is linked to high blood pressure and an increased risk of blood clot formation. Let us know environmental impacts of urban air pollution. Urban air pollution has significant environmental impacts affecting the natural system and human health. One of the primary consequences is the deterioration of air quality with pollutants such as nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, and volatile organic compounds being released into the atmosphere. These pollutants can have far-reaching effects on environmental components. Additionally, long-term to Additionally, long-term exposure to air pollution is linked to chronic health conditions including lung cancer and cognitive impairment. Secondly, urban air pollution can adversely impact ecosystem. Vegetation, soil and water bodies suffer when exposed to pollutants. Acid rain, resulting from the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, can damage plant life and aquatic ecosystems. Ground level ozone, a component of smoke, can harm plant and reduce copper yields, leading to biodiversity loss. Technological solutions to control urban air pollution. Technological solution involves the use of advanced air quality monitoring system directly addresses the sources of pollution. Innovative emission control technologies have been developed for vehicles, industries and power plants. Electrical vehicles and hybrid vehicles reduce exhaust emissions while stringent emission standards and catalytic converters help minimize the release of pollutants from internal combustion engines. Urban planners and architects are incorporating green spaces such as parks and green roofs to absorb pollutant and enhance overall air quality. Similarly, the promotion of sustainability transportation modes like cycling, walking and helps reduce reliance on polluting vehicles. Ongoing research and development continue to refine existing technology and foster the creation of new and more effective solutions to combat urban air pollution, safeguarding the well-being of urban pollution and promoting a sustainable and healthier living life. Let us know the case studies of urban air pollution. Urban air pollution is a global environmental challenge that poses significant threats to public health and the environment. Several case studies highlight the diversity, sources, consequences, and mitigation efforts associated with urban air pollution. Notable case is the city of Delhi, India, where urbanization, vehicular emission, and agriculture burning contribute to hazardous air quality. The city experienced severe smog episodes, particularly during winter, leading to increased respiratory illness. These case studies underscore the importance of multifaceted approach to tackle urban air pollution. Effective strategies involves adopting cleaner technologies, improving public transportation, implementing stringent emission standards and promoting public awareness. International collaboration and the exchange of best practices are crucial to addressing this global challenge and safeguarding the health and well-being of urban population. Let us discuss the future look of urban air pollution. The future of urban air pollution is growing concern as urbanization and industrialization continue to rise globally. Population growth and urbanization are major contributes to increased pollution levels. As more people migrate to urban areas, there is a corresponding rise in vehicular traffic, industrial activities, and energy consumption. These factors release pollutants such as particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds into the atmosphere, contributing to poor air quality. Climate may exhibit the issue by influencing weather patterns, leading to more frequent and severe episodes of smog and air pollution. Rising temperature and altered precipitation patterns can affect the dispersion and transformation of pollutants, creating conditions conducive of formation of zones and fine particulate matter. Finally, we are here about to discuss the conclusion of urban air pollution management. The management of urban air pollution is critically imperative for the well-being of both the environment and human health. In a conclusion, A multifaceted and integrated approach is essential to address the complex nature of urban air pollution. This involves stringent regulatory measures, technological innovations, public awareness campaigns, and sustainable urban planning. Government must enforce and continually update air quality standards, implement emission controls on industries and vehicles, and invest in cleaner and renewable energy sources. Technological solutions such as the development of electrical vehicles, efficient public transportation systems, and green infrastructure play a crucial role in mitigating population levels. Public awareness and education campaigns are vital to engage communities in adopting eco-friendly practices, reducing personal carbon footprints, and advocating for cleaner air policies.